Hey y'all, it's me, Prettywitty77, and if you're a witty, then welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, what's up? Hey y'all. I heard the girls was looking for me. Here I go. Here I go. I missed y'all. Listen, get you a little snacky snack because we got a lot to talk about. So the last video that I posted was 3 years ago, and I can't believe that. I cannot believe it. I literally opened it up and I was like, let me see when the last time I posted a video. So I'm looking at the date and I see, you know how it show you just a comment, like a random comment, like in the comment box. It says something like, where's she at? Like, anybody else wondering where she went? And I was just stunned. I was shocked because I didn't know y'all was looking for me. If I would have known y'all was looking for me, I would have took my phone off D&D. And honestly, I came here with something in mind, but while we here, let's chat. Let's chat. To address the baddies in the room, I have been MIA because I've just been having a lot going on. And I know y'all have always told me, like, take a break, take a break. I used to be on this thing grinding every week, multiple times a week, just having fun. Y'all was like, take a break, take a break. And what happens when you take a break and you don't want to stop? What's the procedure when you take a break and the break feels good and you want to prolong? What is the procedure? Answer quickly, because whatever that was, baby, it happened to me. I was like, ooh, this feels good. My nervous system is relaxed. You know, I can just tune into myself, and it felt good, y'all. And hey, this just that on it. So a lot has happened in these almost 4 years. I don't primarily wear my hair curly no more. Honestly, I don't have the time. I don't know where I was finding the time to do my hair that many times a week, even once a week. I neglect it quite often. And when I wash it and if it gets deep condition, I know it's a wild time, okay? Listen, it's 2025. When I wash it, if I have time to condition it, it get done. But other than that, I literally pull my hair back into a bun and I go. I don't have time for the wash and go. I don't have time for the upkeep. Baby, I be rocking and rolling, especially with my workout schedule. Oh, that's another thing that's been consistent. Yes. Another update is I had a surgery. If y'all follow me on Instagram, you probably already know this, but I had an open myomectomy. And if y'all want, I know I said I was going to do a video on this, but here I am coming to y'all for a whole different reason. Sometimes it be like that. But I did have an open myomectomy. I could go into detail if y'all want. I had a fibroid that was measuring almost the size of a 4-month pregnancy. And in true celebrity fashion, I hid it. Just like the celebrities. When I did have the surgery, I did openly talk about it, and I connected with so many of y'all. So many women have been suffering, have been having these surgeries, are having the symptoms, who can't afford surgery, has been going through this. And I was just like, dang, ain't nobody said nothing. But while I'm here today, basically for the same reason I was in front of y'all 3 years ago, I want to cut my hair. What are you looking at me like that for? I mean, let me explain. Maybe it'll make a little bit more sense. So today is 7/7, which marks the anniversary of my big chop. Well, I transitioned, but this is my big chop where I chopped off all the remainder of my Tex-Lex hair. So yes, today is 7/7, and it also, to this day, makes 7 years since that big chop. So all of these 7, that's 7/7 and another 7 on top. Sprinkle that with me just wanting a transformation. My hair isn't the most healthiest and I've been craving a cut. Okay? Like, I've really been like, you know what? Let's just do it. And if I think too much into it, like, I almost talk myself out of it. It was like, honestly, get up and just do it. Just do it. Deal with the consequences later. Just do it. I think too much. Sometimes, just do it. So here I am. Y'all ready? So honestly, the cut that's been popping up in my head again and again and again over the last, like at least 2 weeks is a bob. I never remember my hair being this short. A bob? Maybe my big chop, but a bob. But then the more I think, and I don't like to think too much because I'm a chronic overthinker. I've been an overthinker all my life. But the thing is, when I was on YouTube consistently, I didn't have time to think. I just had to do. But now I'm thinking. And it's in excess. So I'm like, okay, maybe not do a bob. Maybe do something a little shorter and then work your way up to the bob if that's how you feeling. You know what I mean? I have blown out my hair and flat ironed my hair, but the humidity in Texas right now is very disrespectful. Very disrespectful. And like I said before, I knew I wanted to do a cut. But when I looked at the calendar and I did the math and was like, you know what? It's been 7 years. 7 of them things since you've been natural. I've only been natural for 7 years. The only other time I ever remember being 100% natural, I was like 5 years old. So for me to be natural 7 years of my adult life, symbolic, iconic. I don't even have a strategy. I don't care for one. I really haven't been trimming my ends regularly like I need to. And yeah, that's just it. I really just been raw dogging life. A lot of damage I have is around my nape area. That is where my curls are the tightest. And it is one of my most difficult areas. Them things sound sharp, boy. I've literally already trimmed like 3 or 4 inches off my hair. I'll show y'all a picture. Let me scoot over so I can have somewhere to put it. So here's what it looks like air dried. And here is what it looks like blow dried. And here's what it looks like flat iron. Okay, so the work has been done and I've done a lot of cutting already. So a bob would be here. That's all of my damn hair. My hair gonna be so short in the curly state, it's gonna be ridiculous. I don't even know what I'm gonna do because I don't even straighten my hair. But the damage gotta go. I feel like this 7/7 energy is really just it's time for change, y'all. It's time. And it wouldn't be me if I wasn't dramatic with it. Just being honest. In full transparency, I literally just had to stop the camera and pray. Because it's not, I know y'all probably like, girl, do the cut, but it's deeper than it. You know what I mean? I feel like this whole experience with me being in front of this camera again, I didn't even know what my camera was. Well, I knew what my camera was, but like the batteries, the charger, I didn't know what my mic was. I'm like, my tripod, so many things I had to look for, like memory cards. I'm like, wow, this is who I was. You know what I mean? And honestly, being in front of this camera is like waking up something in me that has been missing for a very long time. Yeah, it's like, I feel like it's like one of those remember who you are moments, and it really just moved me in a way like that. Yeah. So yeah, I do honestly feel at home here. I know it's kind of awkward, but hell, I'm awkward. If you ever meet me in person, I am awkward until I get to know you. I'm a very reserved girl with a big personality. But yeah, I feel like, baby, the bear has, the hibernation is over. It's over with. Okay, so let's get to the cut. I'm getting all emotional because, yeah, a moment. It's honestly really no turning back at this point. So, yeah. I ain't watched no videos, y'all, at this. But if I do it here to know what length to cut right, and then I hold it up, that's how you do it, and then angle it. And then leave the top shorter. This is so raw. I mean, this is a lot of freaking hair compared to what I already cut. I mean, I ain't mad at the little angle now. It's actually very cute. Straight. Y'all, I am bald-headed, curly. Look at that. Come on, blunt. And let's get this straight right now. Let's clear the air on this. I don't care about it being blunt, straight. I don't care about all that. What I care about is getting the damage off. I mean, it don't have to be crisp. Baby, I don't care nothing about that. As long as it's cute. And it probably ain't gonna look nothing like this curly anyway. So who cares? I'm literally chopping off my hair. I've literally grown my hair to tailbone. To the very crack of my butt. I don't care about a crisp cut. I don't care about even it. I don't care nothing about that. Baby, that's somebody else's hopes and dreams, baby. Don't put that on me. I don't care. Alright? Now let's continue. Anywho, if you still watching and you ain't subscribed, what you doing? What's really going on? I'm looking at you, you looking at me. Hit it. Alright now. On another note, I actually vlogged my pre-surgery and then recovery. I recovered from a open myomectomy, literally like 90% along. I would say 95% along. And that's very, very hard to do, but I did it and I documented it, and that just needs to be edited, to be honest. It's already out there, it needs to be edited. Oof. Oh my God. Oh my hair has never been this short. I'm bob. This is a damn bob. Hell. She told me how to take my time and do it right. Girl, what the hell I'ma do? I don't even know how I wear my hair. You know what I mean? Because hopefully it can fit in a bun or a little pony. I mean, the pony hidden. Let's see the pony. Oh, that look crazy. It looks crazy. Because me too. Me too. Me too, sis. We all got a little crazy in us. I wanted to do like a layer here some kind of way, but I'm not sure about how to go with it with matching. It's not matching. We'll go there. Y'all hate it? If you do, keep it to yourself. I don't want to hear it. Y'all know what's really been on my mind lately? How I went natural 7 years ago, and I look around today and literally everybody has on a wig. Or they're straight naturals. When I was dominating the Tex-Lax world, I'm talking about hair growing, hair healthy, growing down my back, no split ends, doing the thing. People were natural. Everybody was natural. Now I'm natural 100% for 7 years. Everybody's going straight natural, or they're just natural under their wigs. I don't see, natural hair is not that popular these days. And this is just so crazy to me how it has been 10 years. And you know, trends and things change. But man, if I would have kept my Tex-Lax hair. Nah, but honestly, I can't even say that because I was just craving volume back then. You know what I mean? I wanted volume. It's just so crazy to see the hair trends change. And oh boy, have they changed. Do I ever think I'll be a straight natural though? Probably not. I really like my curls, but I'm saying that as somebody who really hasn't worn their curls in years. Like I've here or there I'll experiment, but then I'll wash it and put it right back in the bun, right back in the ponytail. That's crazy because I never thought that girl would be me. But 7 years later, life happens, and I be tired. Baby, I had all the energy in the world. I don't know where I was conjuring that energy from back in the day. I always go out and buy new shears before each cut. It's a tradition. It's a little bit too long. Damn, that's a little bit too short. No, that's a little bit too long. Uh-oh. Here we go. A little bit too long, a little bit too short, a little bit too long until all the shit gone. And just like that, my cut is done. And I don't like how it looks in a ponytail. But this looks cute, right? Actually, it looks really cute. If I put it up some kind of way. I definitely don't look my age with this damn hairstyle. Oh. No, it don't look cute. Oh. I'm calling in tomorrow. What? I need to get my life together. This is the amount of hair I just cut off. Collectively, this is what I've cut off in the less than 24 hours. That's all my hair. It's a lot. I'm just ready for new beginnings. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair in the meantime because I'm really not feeling how it looks in a ponytail. I'm really not feeling how it looks in half up, half down. I don't know. I can't go to work like this. And I'm not putting more heat on my hair. Like, I don't know. But I will figure it out. Thank y'all for sticking with me during this crazy journey. New beginnings, fresh ends, a fresh perspective, and Leo season on the way. Thank y'all so much for watching my channel. If you haven't already, subscribe and like this video if y'all was happy to see me. I really miss y'all, like, for real. I didn't realize how much I missed y'all until I was reading them comments. Not gonna lie. So make me proud, and I'll see y'all in the next video.